Hello and welcome back to another CloudTAK training. Today we're going to walk you through how to use route snapping in CloudTAK. Route snapping allows you to draw a route that intelligently follows road and trail datasets, rather than freehand drawing. This creates cleaner, more realistic routes that can be shared with others for navigation, planning, and coordination. If you haven't already, open CloudTAK by going to map.cotak.gov and signing in with your CloudTAK login. If this is your first time logging in, you'll be prompted to create your call sign and identity, and you may be asked to select a base map. Before we start creating routes, double-check your broadcast settings. Make sure you're only sharing your location on the appropriate channels for your mission. For example, I'm staying on DFPC COE. Normally, when you draw a line in CloudTAK, you're freehanding the path. Route snapping changes that behavior by using underlying road and trail data, primarily from OpenStreetMap, so the route you draw will snap to known paths. It's important to note that route snapping only works where road or trail data actually exists. If a road or trail isn't present in the underlying dataset, you may still need to freehand portions of the route. Some base maps make these snapped paths easier to see than others. For example, a simple light-colored map view, like a standard street map, instead of satellite imagery, can make roads and trails stand out more clearly while you're creating the route. A helpful workflow is to switch to a clean base map while drawing your snapped route, then switch back to your preferred map view once the route is created. All of your map drawing tools can be found under the pencil icon in the top right corner. To create a snapped route, open the pencil menu and select Draw a Line. Enable Route Snapping. This will appear as a drop-down box at the bottom of your screen. Click once to start your route. As you continue clicking along a roadway or trail, you'll notice the line automatically follows the underlying map data instead of drawing straight lines. If you want a simple start-to-end route, you can double-click to finish. If you need a more complex path, you can continue clicking along intersections or trail junctions to guide the route. After creating your route, open the Details panel. Give your route a clear name such as Access Route Staging to ICP. Make sure to press Enter after typing the name so it saves correctly. From the Details page, you can add remarks or notes about the route, copy coordinates, or share the route with others so they can view it and use it for navigation in their TAK client. At this time, snapped routes in CloudTAK cannot be edited after they're created. If you make a mistake while drawing a route, or if conditions change and you need to adjust the path, you won't be able to drag vertices or reshape the route like you can with normal drawn lines. Instead, the workflow is select the route, click Delete, recreate the route from scratch. That covers the basics of route snapping in CloudTAK. We walked through what route snapping is, how to create snapped routes, how to name and share them, and how to manage routes as conditions change. Thanks for watching.